Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. If you are in periods 1 or 4, today's date is 1-5. If you are in 5, 7, or 8, today's date is 1-6. We are looking at 3D shapes and their attributes. We are looking at 3D shapes and their attributes. Okay? And that just means their characteristics, they're parts of them. Alrighty? So, the first thing we need to know is there are two types of 3D shapes. The first type is a prism. And those are, their sides are rectangles. They also have two bases. Okay, the second one is a pyramid. The second one are pyramids. And these have sides that are triangles, and there is only one base. There is only one base. All right? So we are going to look at some prisms first. We're going to look at some prism examples first, and you are going to be drawing these, so get ready. I promise it's not that bad. All right? So the first prism is going to be a cube. So do the best that you can to draw a square. Doesn't have to be exact, but we want it to be pretty darn close to a square. From there, from your left top corner, do a diagonal to the right. From your top right corner, do another diagonal to the right, as well as from your bottom right corner. All you are going to do now is connect your three lines that you just made. Do the best that you can. And that is called a cube. Alrighty? So the base, right, is this top, and then you can't see it because of how we drew it, but it would be down here. It's got two bases that are squares, right? So then the second one we are going to do, if you would draw a circle, and then do the best that you can to draw a straight line from the two sides about the middle, and then connect those two using a half circle. Connect those two using a half circle. And then you're going to draw a dotted line to finish off that circle. And that is called a cylinder. That is called a cylinder. And if you think of that, right, the two bases would be these two circles. All right. The next one, instead of a square, if you would draw a rectangle, same thing that we did from the cube. We're going to start at the top left and draw a diagonal to the right. Start at the top right and draw a diagonal to the right. Start at the bottom right and draw a diagonal angle to the right. And then you're going to do the best that you can to connect these. And this is a rectangular prism. So if you notice, right, it's a rectangular prism because it's got two bases, and the bases are rectangles. Alrighty? Now this is going to be the hardest one to draw, and I'm horrible at it, so just do the best you can. Do me a favor and draw a weird looking triangle, alright? So, almost looks like a Toblerone package, right? I want you to draw a triangle, and then from the left bottom and top go left, and then connect